Stop what you are doing. If you are using ChatGPT to write your emails, your essays, your reports, your social media content, you need to watch this video right now, because there is another AI that does all of that better. Cleaner output, less filler, more human, and it is completely free. It is called Claude. And in the next 7 minutes, I am going to show you exactly why professionals are quietly switching to it, and exactly how to use it so your writing improves from your very first session. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will never look at your AI tools the same way again. Welcome to Stacked Minds, where I cut through the AI noise and give you only what actually works. New video every Tuesday. Make sure you are subscribed so you never miss one. Now, before anyone in the comments says ChatGPT is fine, what is the problem? Let me be clear. ChatGPT is a great tool. I covered it in my last 2 videos and I still use it. But for writing specifically, long-form content, editing, matching your voice, handling complex instructions, Claude is a different level. And I am not the only one saying this. Professional writers, marketers, developers, people who write for a living, they have been quietly switching to Claude for months. The question is why nobody is talking about it. Let me show you exactly what makes it different, starting with how to get on it right now. Getting started takes less than 60 seconds. Go to Claude AI. No app download, no complicated setup. Just a clean browser interface. Hit sign up, create a free account, and you are in. The free plan gives you access to Claude Sonnet, which is genuinely one of the most capable free AI models available right now. You will have daily usage limits, but for most writing tasks, you will never hit them. The interface is simple, just a text box. Type your request, and Claude responds. But do not let the simplicity fool you. What you can do inside this box will genuinely surprise you. Let me show you the 5 things that make Claude a completely different tool for writing. Here is the single biggest complaint people have about AI writing tools. The output sounds fake. Bullet points everywhere. Phrases like, "in today's fast-paced world." Hollow, generic sentences that scream, "a robot wrote this." Claude is trained differently. It avoids those patterns by default. Ask it to write a 600-word article, and the output is tighter, more natural, and needs far less editing than what you would get from any other tool. It follows your exact instructions, word count, tone, structure, without drifting. Try this right now. Paste any AI written text you have and say, "Rewrite this so it sounds human." Remove all filler phrases and AI patterns. Keep the ideas, but change the delivery. The difference will shock you. This is the one that blew my mind the first time I tried it. Paste 2 to 3 examples of your own writing into Claude, blog posts, emails, anything you have written, and say, "This is how I write." Study the tone, the sentence length, the vocabulary. Now write me a LinkedIn post about AI tools in this exact style. Claude will match your voice with an accuracy that is almost uncomfortable. The output sounds like you, not like a polished robot trying to sound professional. No other AI tool does this as well right now. Not ChatGPT, not Gemini. Claude is an extraordinary editor. Paste anything you have written, a rough draft, an email, a report, and try this. Edit this text. Remove all filler words. Tighten every sentence. Improve the clarity. Fix grammar. Do not change my core ideas or add new content. What comes back is a sharper, cleaner version of your own writing, not a rewrite, a refinement. Think of it as having a professional copy editor on call 24 hours a day who costs you nothing and responds in 10 seconds. You can upload a PDF or paste an entire document directly into Claude and ask it to summarize it. This works at a scale that other tools cannot match. Claude has one of the largest context windows of any AI available. You can paste a 10,000-word report, and Claude reads all of it. Say, "Summarize this into 5 bullet points. Focus on the most important facts and any action items." What you get back is accurate, structured, and ready to use. No hallucinations, no invented details. Just the actual content of your document compressed and clarified. This is the feature that turns Claude from a useful tool into something genuinely powerful. In the left sidebar, you will see a section called Projects. Click it and create a new project. Name it after whatever you are working on. Inside the project, you can write custom instructions. Tell Claude who you are, what your writing style is, who your audience is, what topics you cover. Upload reference documents. And here is the key part. Every conversation you start inside that project automatically applies all of those instructions. You never have to re-explain yourself again. Claude already knows. For content creators, writers, and professionals who use AI regularly, this feature alone is worth switching from ChatGPT. Before you go and try this, 3 tips that will immediately make your results better. Tip 1. Be dangerously specific. The vague you are, the worse the output. Do not say, "Write me a blog post." Say, "Write me a 700-word blog post for freelance designers about why raising your rates actually gets you better clients." Tone. Confident and direct. No motivational cliches, no bullet points. Every extra detail you give Claude is another instruction it will follow precisely. Tip 2. Ask Claude to diagnose before it writes. Instead of jumping straight to "write this for me," paste your rough notes and say, "Before you write anything, tell me what is missing and what the structure should be." This one step alone dramatically improves everything that comes after. Tip 3. Use Claude as your editor, not your ghostwriter. Your ideas plus Claude's precision is a combination that is very hard to beat. Write the ideas yourself. Let Claude refine them. Claude is not here to replace ChatGPT. It is here to replace the version of ChatGPT you use for writing. For anything that requires precision, voice matching, or long documents, Claude wins, every time. Go to Claude AI right now. Create your free account. Paste something you have already written and ask Claude to edit it. See what comes back in 10 seconds. I promise it will change how you think about AI writing tools. If this video saved you time or changed your perspective, hit the like button, subscribe for a new video every Tuesday, and comment below. Are you Team ChatGPT or are you switching to Claude? I want to know. See you next Tuesday.